How to save a GIF on iPhone. The first step to saving a GIF on your iPhone is to find the GIF you want to save. You can find the GIF on social media platforms, messaging app, and even on website. Once you find the GIF you want to save, tap and hold on the GIF. After you have tapped and hold on the GIF, a pop-up menu will appear. In the pop-up menu, tap Save Image. This will save the GIF to your iPhone's camera roll. Once you have saved the GIF to your camera roll, open the Photos app on your iPhone. Your saved GIF should be located in your camera roll. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.